So hi children. So in the previous video we discussed up to 7 questions, no? So in this video we are going to discuss about that, the questions from 8 onwards. Okay. So here what they given ma? Here if 2 plus I root 3 is a root of x square plus px plus q is equal to 0, then p is equals to and q is equals to, here pq belongs to real numbers. Okay. So here what they ask ma? They given that one of the root of the given equation. So we need to find that another root as well as we need to find that pq values also. Okay. So what they given here, say that. So given that x square plus px plus q is equal to 0 and one of the root is 2 plus I root 3. 2 plus I root 3. So children, already we know that here 2 plus I root 3 imaginary root is there. So here we know that conjugate root is there to that 2 plus I root 3. So what is the conjugate root of 2 plus I root 3? Another root. So here another root is 2 minus I root 3. 2 minus I root 3. Okay, so that is that another root. So children, say that. So from this one here sum of the roots. So let here we can take that alpha is equals to 2 plus I root 3 and 2 minus I root 3 as beta. Okay, so come to this one. Here alpha plus beta is equals to minus p. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus p, and here alpha beta is equals to q by 1, which means q. Understand? So see here ma. So alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta means here minus p is equals to alpha is equal to what is that? 2 plus I root 3, and here beta is equals to 2 minus I root 3. So I root 3 minus I root 3 gets cancelled. So from this one minus p is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So from this one p is equal to minus 4. From this one p is equal to minus 4. Am I clear? So here we got that p value. Next we need to find that q value, no? So here alpha beta is equals to q we taken. So alpha is equals to 2 plus I root 3 into beta is equal to 2 minus I root 3, which is equals to q. Okay. So here a plus b into a minus b, 2 2's 4 minus, and here a plus b means a plus b into a minus b. What is that formula ma here? A square minus b square. So 4 minus I root 3 whole square. So which is equals to 4 minus of I square. And here root 3 whole square means root and square gets cancelled here. So that is into 3. Okay. So from this one 4 minus of, here I square means minus 1 into 3. So from this one 4 minus into minus plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So that is the value of q. So alpha into beta is equal to q, which is equals to 7. Understand? So from this one what are the values of p and q ma? So here p is equal to minus 4 and q is equal to 7. So which option is correct? Yes, option 4 is correct. That is p is equal to minus 4 and q is equal to 7. Clear? So children, let us see that next 9th question. What is that? The roots of root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. So here given quadratic equation they given, they asked that roots they didn't give, right? But they are asking what is the nature of the roots. So to find that nature of roots, first we need to find the delta value, which means a discriminant value we need to find out. Already we know that, right? On the depends on the discriminant value we can say that nature of the roots. So let us say that. So what is that given quadratic equation here? That is root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation, right? So from this one here, let us write that the values of a, b, c. Okay. So here a is equal to root 3, b is equal to 10, c is equal to minus 8 root 3. Minus 8 root 3. Now find that delta value. So delta is equal to, what is the formula to find the delta? That is b square minus 4ac. So here just substitute that ABC values. So b is equal to here 10 square minus 4 into a is equal to root 3, and here c is equal to minus 8 root 3. So from this one 10 square is equal to 100 and minus into minus is equal to plus. Next to 4 8s 32, and here root 3 into root 3, so that is root 3 whole square. So square and root gets cancelled. So from this one 100 plus 32 into 3. Okay, so from this 100 plus 32 into 3, which is equals to 3 to 6, and here 3 3 is 9, so which is equals to 96. So 100 plus 96 is equal to 196. So children, just observe that here delta value we got that 196. So 196, is it a perfect square or not? Yes, it is a perfect square and its square root is 14. Am I right? So here delta is equal to, we can write this one as 14 square. So children, we learned that if the discriminant value is a perfect square, discriminant value is a perfect square, then the roots are, here what are the roots here? Then the roots are rational and not equal. Yes or no? If that delta value is a perfect square, delta value is a perfect square, then the roots are rational and unequal. So that one only not equal. Rational and unequal roots. Already we explained about this one in before that concept, right? So if anybody missed that concept, once see that concept video, after that you can understand this one. Okay, so if the delta value is 14 square, that is a perfect square, then the roots are, then the nature of the roots are rational numbers, as well as those two roots are unequal roots. Okay, not equal roots. So here which option is correct? Yes, rational and not equal roots. Am I clear, children? So next see the 10th question mark. Here, if one root of x square, what is the given quadratic equation here? X square minus of 3 plus 2i into x plus 1 plus 3i is equal to 0. So this is the given quadratic equation, and here roots also given. So one of the root, let alpha is equals to 1 plus I. So here directly we should not take that 1 minus I. Why? Because first simplify this, later we will go for that. Okay, so first say that here x square minus 3 plus 2i into x plus 1 plus 3i is equal to 0. First simplify this. So another root is beta. So you can do, take it as beta. So here alpha plus beta is equal to, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So minus of 3 plus 2i by a means here 1 only, no, so no need to take, that is your wish. So plus, yes, see here, so alpha plus beta is equal to minus into minus plus, so 3 plus 2i, 3 plus 2i. So from this one here already we know that alpha is equal to 1 plus I know, so that one substitute here, beta is equal to 3 plus 2i minus alpha. So beta is equal to 3 plus 2i minus of alpha is equal to 1 plus I. Okay, so from this one here beta is equal to 3 plus 2i minus 1 and here minus I. So from this one beta is equal to 3 plus 2i and here minus I, which is equals to 3 plus I, and here minus 1. So which is equals to 2 plus I. So beta is equal to here 2 plus I. Am I clear to you, children? So this one satisfies that C or not here, that one we have to check that. Okay, so here we got that beta is equal to 2 plus I. Now check that finally product of the roots there, no. So product of the roots, check this one. So product of the roots is equal to alpha into beta. So alpha is equal to 1 plus I, and here beta is equal to, we got that 2 plus I. Okay, so 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 into I is I, and here 2 into I is 2I plus I into I is I square. So which is equals to here 2 plus of 2I plus I, which is equals to 3I, plus I square is equal to minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 3I. So we got that alpha beta is equal to, alpha into beta is equal to 1 plus 3I only, no? So that one also satisfies. So children, why here we should not take that conjugate root of this one? Why? Because here directly they didn't give that, the equation which is in the form of x square plus ax plus b, directly like that given means easily we can take that conjugate roots. But here the given that roots must be satisfy that given quadratic equation. So if you will take here 1 plus I, that is the given root, the conjugate root is 1 minus I. Okay, so what you will get? 1 square minus I square. So 1 square minus I square means again that is minus 1. So minus of minus is plus. So 1 plus 1 you will get it as 2. But here this value they didn't mention that one as 2. Understand? So that's why here we should not go for that conjugate. Okay, so that second root and the first root must be satisfies the given equation. Understand, ma? So what is that answer here? So what is the another root? That is 2 plus I. So which option is correct here? Option 2 is correct. Okay, so let us see that next question. So children, up to here 7 questions completed. So we will continue from that next video. Okay, thank you all.